incisors are flat and sharp. They have only one large root. Both the child and adult have four on the top. Function of incisor. Incisors are used for cutting food. Thank you.
Assalamu alaikum. My name is Jamal. I read in class 4 Purple. Today our third class presentation about types of teeth. I will explain the third type of teeth, premolars. These are premolar teeth. The surface of premolar teeth are not paired. The premolar teeth are square and round in shape. Premolar teeth, one or two large roots. Children and adults have